Hello friends, welcome to Car Masters. Today we have an exciting episode where we'll talk about a car everyone dreams of driving at least once, the Bugatti Tourbillon, the legendary successor to the renowned Bugatti Chiron. Before we start, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from the world of supercars. What makes the Bugatti Tourbillon extraordinary is not just its stunning design, but the story behind it. After being owned by the Volkswagen Group, Bugatti is now under the umbrella of Rimac, a Croatian company specializing in electric supercars. However, the Tourbillon defies expectations by not being fully electric. Stunning design and incredible power. The Bugatti Tourbillon features the iconic horseshoe design on its front and boasts superior aerodynamics with upward opening doors. From the back, you'll notice a bold difference from the Chiron, giving it a unique and distinctive identity. Amazing mechanical specifications. This car combines a naturally aspirated 16.8.3 liter petrol engine producing 986 8E1000 PE and 900 Nm of torque with 3 electric motors that together generate 789 H 800 PS 800 P. The result is an astounding total power output of 1775 1800 P, 1800 PC, making it one of the most powerful cars in the world. Outstanding performance. Accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2 seconds. From 0 to 200 km/h in less than 5 seconds. From 0 to 300 km/h in 10 seconds. Reaches 380 km/h from a standstill in under 25 seconds. And with Bugatti's second key, it can reach a top speed of 444 km, making it a pinnacle of performance and allure. Unique features. One of the standout features of the Bugatti Tourbillon is the steering wheel, mounted gauges, and the absence of a traditional screen. Instead, there's a button that reveals a 5-inch display compatible with Apple CarPlay when needed. Limited production and high price. Only 250 units of the Bugatti Tourbillon 2026 will be made, with a starting price of $3.9 million. That was a glimpse of one of the most spectacular cars you'll see in the coming years. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.